So I got the sleep mask. And I got this because I am about to go on a big trip, a long plane ride, and I would like to sleep. So I got this just for that. Comes in a nice little carrying case. And I got it in black. A nice long strap. And it's not one of those Velcros that are going to catch in your hair, which is really nice. No smell. Sometimes, you know, fabric, no smell. And you can see how this is the part that's going to sit on your face. Nice and squishy, nice and soft. It's a really like satiny material. And Velcro. So it's going to be adjustable for any head size. Let's try it on. Oh my gosh. So I cannot see absolutely anything. It completely blocks out all light, like absolutely. And it's really comfortable on the face. And again, the strap, it's adjustable with that Velcro. Oh my, this is like blackout curtains. You can't see absolutely anything. So if you like I said, I got this for my travels coming up to sleep on the plane. But if you work like night shift and you sleep during the day, this is going to turn your mornings into your nights. It completely, like, I'm really shocked about how much light this can't, like, it was, I couldn't see anything. And again, it's really squishy. I like how it has the cutout for your nose, so it's really comfortable and nothing is pushing on your eyes with that cutout right there. 5 stars.